Henry explains.
While President Obama boasts about not paying attention to cable chatter, his staff could not ignore the storm of criticism directed at his Solicitor General, Donald Verrilli, for what many called a weak performance that may have helped put the president's signature domestic achievement on the brink.
What Mr. Verrilli delivered was a very solid performance before the Supreme Court. That's just a fact.
Actually, Verrilli is under fire after stammering and coughing his way through oral arguments Tuesday.
Paying for health care in this country. Excuse me.
There was also a questionable answer to a common analogy mentioned by conservative Justice Antonin Scalia.
Could you define the market? Everybody has to buy food sooner or later, so you define the market as food. Therefore, everybody's in the market. Therefore, you can make people buy broccoli.
No, it's quite different. It's quite different. The food market, while it shares that trait that everybody's in it, it is not a market in which your participation is often unpredictable and often involuntary.
White House allies caution pundits may be overreading gloom and doom.
Some justices actually ask questions that are contrary to where they may be going.
One of the plaintiffs who argued against Verrilli before the high court says the White House should prepare for disaster.
The whole point of the individual mandate was to drive premiums down. You throw that out, leave the rest in, and the costs of the act go through the roof.
White House aides insist the president is so certain of victory, he does not have a plan B.
There's no contingency plan that's in place. We're focused on implementing the law.
In a shift, the Obama campaign is now even embracing the critics' framing of the law as ObamaCare.
You want to call it ObamaCare? That's okay, because I do care. That's why we passed it.
Administration officials tell me they're not trying to proactively defend Verrilli. They think he did a good job. They're just responding to reporters' questions. And the Solicitor General today tried to sort of save things by making an emotional appeal to the justices, saying that people with cancer and heart disease are counting on the court. Shannon?